Sri Gurubhyo Namaga. We welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. We have many plants around us, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers. Classics, subject science, topic more about plants. We are going to discuss about plant today. Introduction, more about plants, types of plants, parts of plants. In this types of plants, we are going to see about herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers and trees. You can see the examples for the herbs: grass, mint, wheat, and shrubs, rose plant. Creepers, pumpkin, watermelon. Climbers, money plant, and tree we have many. Let us discuss about what is herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers. Herbs are small size plant and with very soft stems. Examples: tomato, brinjal and wheat. Shrubs, and these plants are very medium size plant and woody stems. Examples are hibiscus, lemon. Creepers, we know very well that grows along the ground. Plants with weak stem grow along the ground. It is known as creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin, gourd plants. Climbers, they have very weak stem and climbs to grow. It needs some support. You can see here it climb the wall. It needs some support to climb. Grapevine and pea plants are climbers. Next, we are going to see about trees. Trees are very tall plants and they have very thick stems called trunk. Mango, neem tree, banyan tree, we can say many trees. Let us discuss about parts of plant. We are going to divide a plant into two parts: shoot system and root system. Above the ground is known as shoot system, below the ground is known as root system. Let us see what are the parts are present in root and shoot system. See, we have flowers, leaf, fruits and stem are present in shoot system. Root present in root system. We are going to briefly explain about all the parts. If a plant, it has leaf, fruit, seeds, flower, roots and stem. So, Let us label a plant. Leaf, stem, root. So, root system, fruit and flower. These are the main part for plant. So, plant we can divide into root system and shoot system. Above the ground is shoot system and below the ground is root system. Now, let us discuss about root. Types of root. We have two types of root, tap root and fibrous root. So, tap root and fibrous root. You can see here the picture about tap root and fibrous root. In a tap root, we have main primary root and we have secondary lateral root. But when you go to the fibrous root, there is no main primary root. Okay? You can see a tap root. So, primary root and secondary root, and this is a tap root system. Taproot system, primary root and it grows downwards, and we have some secondary root from the primary root, and this is the structure for taproot. Next, fibrous root, and there is a small lateral roots that spread, it is like a bushy structure, that is a fibrous root. Let us discuss about functions of root. It supports the plant and it brings the nutrients and water from the ground to the plant, and it absorbs water and containing nutrients, and it supports the plant to be very straight. What are the different functions of root? The first one, it absorbs water and transport minerals from the soil, and it also absorbs support to the plant. It gives support to the plant and it anchors a plant to the ground. Root store food, extra food, and absorb water and dissolve nutrients from the soil. These are the main functions for the root. Let us discuss taproot and fibrous root, and we have a root cap that protect the ground zone of the root, and root hair increase water and absorb, and it gives the extra support and it stores some food and water. Let us see some modifications of root. Okay, these are the main functions we discussed, and now we are going to see some modifications of root. Roots of some plants store food and it becomes swollen. What are they? Carrot, radish and turnip, sweet potato and beetroot, and this root stores extra food in root and it is as a food. We are eating as a food. The next modification is modified to climb. So, roots of some plants are modified, help the plant to climb up walls, rocks and trees. Example, money plant, black pepper. And roots of some plant absorb nutrients and it from the host plant. The example is Dodar plant, and this is the plant. This is the plant, Dodar plant will absorb the nutrients from the host plant. And this is known as parasitic roots, and this Dodar plant will absorb the nutrition from host plant. Roots of some plant will give extra support. Let us see, plants grow extra root from their branches and they grow downwards and it gives the extra support to the particular plant. Examples, this root is known as prop roots. Example, banyan tree. You can see here, and these roots are known as prop root, and this gives extra support to a plant. And roots of some plant will multiply. Let us see, roots of some plant can give the new plant to the other plant. Dahlia, asparagus. These are the two plants. We can get a new plant from the root. Thank you children. I hope you understand. Let us see next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur,